Hey, my name's Alden Wilson. I've been using Rewst for about 3 years now. We get a lot of alerts for offline devices when we have inclement weather. Getting those at 2 a.m. and having to investigate, figuring out it's Mother Nature is never fun. And so I built a bit of an automation to discover that and put the device into maintenance mode. I've got this automation here that takes in a server offline webhook from my RMM. Got a little no op here to kick it off, going down to my device management tool and getting the location, the city, the streets that my device is on, doing a quick lookup against the weather API for any active alerts in the area, along with the local power for whichever company it is. I'm looking for any sort of alerts that are close enough that could be found as the problematic item. Real easy Jinja here, and then popping off and kick my device into maintenance mode in the RMM for 15 minutes. That way, if the device is actually offline after that 15-minute window, we can go ahead and action it. But for the time being, we're going to go ahead and assume that it is a weather issue or a power issue.